people who don't talk to their parents, what happened? I used to be the popular kid in our family. I always got the best gifts, lots of money, and my parents were extremely friendly. But my younger sister, though, got nothing. No gifts, no money, and we didn't even celebrate her birthday. But I never understood why. They treated her badly, and even punished her physically if she would do something wrong. I felt really bad about it and tried to share everything I got with her, but my parents didn't let me. So when I turned 15, I started working some side jobs to give her money and some small gifts. Even though it wasn't much, my sister appreciated it. During high school, my sister was struggling with some self-esteem issues, and it was obvious that it was caused by my parents. And when I got to college, my parents paid for my full ride. But when it was my sister's turn, she didn't receive a penny, leading her to work 2 jobs in order to pay her tuition, until one day it all became clear, and after the worst beating ever, they confessed it. They told us that my sister had been in an accident caused by a fare, and because of that, they would never love her. So as soon as she would turn 18, they would kick her out of the house and never talk to her again. Shocked and heartbroken, we both left. Both of our parents tried contacting us, but we ignored them. And even though my sister struggled a lot, she graduated and became a really successful lawyer. Did I act in the right way?